morning, sunshine. Time to wake up.
Mom, I'm so sleepy. Can I sleep a little more? I know, honey, but it's a school day. Okay, I'm getting up. That's my girl. Breakfast is ready. What's for breakfast? Grilled cheese sandwich and milk. Yay!
That's my favorite.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure. What do you need?
I want to find the bank.
The bank? It's not far.
Where exactly is it?
Go straight, then turn left. You'll see it next to the bus stop.
Thank you so much for your help. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. I'm glad I could help you find the bank.
Good morning. I would like to open a bank account.
Good morning. Sure, I can help you with that.
What documents do I need?
You need your ID card and proof of address.
Okay, I have them with me.
Great. Please fill out this form.
How long will it take to open the account?
It will take about 15 minutes.
Thank you for your help.
Welcome. Have a great day.
Hello, doctor. I don't feel well.
Oh no. What's wrong?
I have a headache and a sore throat.
I see. How long have you had these symptoms?
Since yesterday evening.
Take this medicine twice a day after meals.
Thank you.
Make sure to rest and drink plenty of water.
If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.